In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in Notion. We'll keep things simple, clear, and actionable. So by the end, you'll have a clean starter site you can shape to your needs. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so everything is ready to go. This is your home base, and from here, you'll access the tools we need to set up your site. Next, click Marketplace. This is where Notion showcases templates built for different purposes, and it's the fastest way to get a website structure without starting from a blank page. If your layout looks a little different, look for the area where templates are featured. The Marketplace is the hub that feeds those options. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type the word website. This narrows the results to templates designed for web-style pages, such as personal sites, portfolios, landing pages, and simple company pages. Scanning these results, you'll notice each template has a preview. Take a moment to look at the layout, the sections, and the overall vibe so you pick one that matches your goals. When you find a template you like, click on it to open its details page, then click Add. This places the template into your workspace so you can edit it. After it's added, it will appear as a new page. If you're prompted to choose where to place it, pick the workspace or folder where you want to keep your site content organized. Opening the page will show you exactly what you saw in the preview, now ready for your edits. Once added, feel free to customize your website. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, adjust headings so they guide visitors, and swap any demo images with your visuals. Click on any section to edit, drag blocks to reorder content, and remove blocks you don't need to keep things focused. Update the page title to something clear and memorable, and consider adding a cover image and icon that fit your style. To make navigation easy, keep important links near the top and use dividers and headings to break content into scannable sections. As you fine-tune, glance at the page in a narrower window to get a sense of how it reads on smaller screens. Aim for concise paragraphs, consistent spacing, and a simple color scheme so your content stands out. And that's it. You opened Notion, went to the Marketplace, searched for website templates, selected one, added it to your workspace, and customized it to make it yours. Keep refining until it feels complete, and you'll have a polished Notion website ready to share.